We'll guide you through how to use Trello for project management to keep your tasks organized and your team on track. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Trello website. Sign in with your account details or create an account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, you'll see your Trello dashboard. To start, click on the Create New Board option. Enter a name for your board that represents your project, and choose a background color or image to customize it. After creating your board, you'll be taken to your new workspace. Here, you'll want to set up lists. Think of lists as stages of your project, like To Do, In Progress, and Completed. You can add more lists by clicking Add Another List. Now, within each list, you can add cards, which are individual tasks or items. Click Add a Card under the appropriate list and give it a name. You can click on the card to add more details, like descriptions, due dates, and attachments. You can also assign team members to each card by clicking Members and selecting their names. This way, everyone knows who is responsible for what. To keep everyone updated, use the Comments section within each card to communicate and track progress. You can also use labels to categorize tasks by priority or type. Simply click on Labels and choose or create a label that fits. One of the best features of Trello is its ability to integrate with other tools like Slack, Google Drive, and more, which can be done through the Power-Ups option in your board menu. Remember to regularly move cards between lists as tasks progress, and archive completed tasks to keep your board clean. Trello also offers a calendar view if you need a timeline perspective, which you can enable in the Power-Ups. This is a great way to visualize your deadlines and milestones. And there you have it, a quick guide to using Trello for project management. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.